kids in nature. Now there is a union of great potency and benefit for humanity. For 6 million years, little kids, well, 6 million years ago, they didn't look much like humans, but anyway, let's say our ultimate ancestors. For 6 million years at least, kids have lived in an environment that was intimately connected them with nature. Their education, their awareness, their skill were intimately molded by what they found and did in natural environments. And that capacity and that tendency to identify with living things, and indeed in old days to survive with that knowledge, is a very obvious hereditary component of the development of a child's mind. It's very valuable to see other forms of life, and I'll say more, handle other forms of life. Not just walking along and seeing something pointed out to them, but walking along with a butterfly net and whisking a butterfly up and taking a close look.
Awesome. Butterfly.
Kids have to mess up nature just a little, and they need to participate. This is called kinesthetic learning. It's learning that involves all your senses, including the use of your hands, to pick up something and examine it, using the muscles and nerves of your hands, and you're looking at it as a manipulated, and you're listening to it, and you're smelling it. That's vital kind of learning. You're not going to get that watching a television program or an internet science instruction.
That's part of the plan, I think. Wow.
This has to come from that direct experience.